Welcome to the Crypto Lab channel. In this video I will talk about Loopring price prediction and Loopring news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Loopring in 2022. Loopring is an Ethereum token. It is described by its creators as an open source, non-custodial, auditable exchange protocol. With it, any user will be able to create non-custodial order book exchanges based on Ethereum using zero-knowledge proofs. In 2020, the average daily trading volume across the entire cryptocurrency market fluctuated roughly in the $50-200 million range. Most of this trading takes place on centralized cryptocurrency exchanges. These are online platforms operated by private companies that store user funds and facilitate the matching of buy and sell orders. The intended goal of Loopring is to combine centralized order matching with decentralized order settlement on the blockchain into a hybrid product that takes the best from both centralized and decentralized exchanges. The founder and current CEO of the Loopring Foundation, which manages the development of the Loopring protocol, is Daniel Wang, a software engineer and entrepreneur based in Shanghai. So let's start with the most important news of the past days. GameStop partners with Immutable X for NFT Marketplace, announces $100 million grant for creators. GameStop will utilize Immutable X NFT solutions on its upcoming marketplace, while partnership discussions with Loopring are ongoing. On Thursday, iconic brick-and-mortar video game retailer GameStop announced a partnership with Layer 2 non-fungible tokens, or NFTs, Ethereum, scaling solution Immutable X to develop GameStop's upcoming NFT marketplace. GameStop will utilize Immutable's technology for trading and minting NFTs. Immutable developers claim that the new NFT marketplace will be 100% carbon neutral, with no gas fees. In addition, both Immutable and GameStop will launch a $100 million grant program denominated in IMX tokens for NFT content creators and tech developers. Although GameStop will receive the rights to up to $150 million IMX tokens upon accomplishing certain business milestones. At the time of publication, the grant is only available to corporate entities and decentralized autonomous organizations developing video games, Web3, Metaverse, its services and digital brands. The month prior, GameStop entered the NFT space by announcing the hiring of over 20 new staff and teasing 2 upcoming partnerships with blockchain firms for NFT game development. In context, GameStop had dropped over 70% since all-time highs last January, when it was the target of a Reddit-fueled short squeeze. The decay of its stock momentum has created a community of less than happy investors. In addition, users appear to be disgruntled that Loopring, an ETH token project designed for powering decentralized cryptocurrency exchanges, was not included in the announcement despite prior negotiations with GameStop. However, in a Securities and Exchange Commission filing the same day, GameStop disclosed that Loopring is still involved in the NFT marketplace. Go next news. How to use Layer 2 wallets to avoid gas fees. Ultra-high gas fees and slow transaction times have tested the loyalty and patience of Ethereum users ever since it became the leading smart contract platform. Despite everything, Ethereum was still processing roughly 1.19 million transactions per day as of January 2022, amid a massive dip in the market. However, the concerns of existing users cannot be ignored if Ethereum wants to remain on top, especially with the proliferation of faster chains like Solana, BSC, Phantom and many more. The best immediate solution for Ethereum's scaling problem is undoubtedly Layer 2 wallet technology, which has been in development and pursued by separate entities since at least 2017. If such a solution exists, everyone should already be using it, right? The truth is that there are some trade-offs to Ethereum on-chain, that downtrend since December. It has flipped multiple longer-term support levels to resistance on the way south. At $1.23 lay the latest of the series of lower highs that LRC has posted on its downtrend. This was the level bulls would need to flip to support to show that the market has shifted to a bullish bias. At 74 cents, lay a long-term support level that has been tested for demand over the past month. The price did see a bounce and post a lower high, as already mentioned, at $1.23. However, this bounce was relatively weak and early March saw an even weaker bounce to graze 81 cents before dropping. Since repeated tests of a level weaken it, it was likely that LRC would be headed further south in search of liquidity in the weeks to come. The RSI has formed an exaggerated bullish divergence in the past couple of weeks. This type of divergence is a weak one and is unlikely to change the overall trend. You could see LRC bounce towards $0.9. The DMI showed a strong bearish trend in progress with both the DI, red, and the ADX, yellow, above 20. The OBV has been declining in recent weeks as well. It pales in comparison to the volume of November, but it did highlight that steady selling has dominated the past 3 weeks. Conclusion: the indicators and the repeated tests of $0. 74 as support showed, the further downside was likely for Loopring in the weeks to come. Risk to reward wise, the 74 cents level could serve as a buying opportunity with a tight stop loss to aggressive traders. Given market conditions and the momentum behind LRC, a drop below 74 cents appeared to be brewing after a possible brief bounce toward 85 cents $0.9. Loopring price prediction for 2022, 2025 and 2030 is what we have for you today. When we look closely at the cryptocurrency market, we feel that it is doing quite well, rather, it is doing very well. Since 2022 is just getting started, this is the perfect moment for some predictions. Any altcoin should be valued in the context of the overall market climate and performance of Bitcoin. Loopring price prediction 2022. In 2022, with wider adoption and partnerships among other important blockchain networks, the price of Loopring will skyrocket. The maximum trading price may reach $1.20 in 2022. The price ranges will be very trendy if we stick to them. If all goes well, we can expect an average price of $1.02, with a maximum price of $1.20 for 2022. LRC Price Prediction 2023. There are signs that the cryptocurrency market is entering a new era. We are confident that the long-term price outlook for the LRC will rise as there is still optimism that the currency will get a lot more attention. The year 2023 could end with an average bid of $1.47 and a minimum bid of $1.43. The maximum bid is expected to be around $1.69. LRC Price Prediction 2024. A flawless approach to this currency can be found on many websites and forums. According to this prediction platform, Loopring will remain at the current level for a very long time. By 2024, LRC is expected to peak at $2.50. The minimum bet could go up to $2.10 if the market turns bullish. LRC Price Forecast 2025. For a long-term forecast of the Loopring price, basic analysis is important. In terms of industry benefits, the native token offers several. The autonomy of the digital economy makes it ideal. As dApp and stablecoins evolve, the network offers competitive programmable payment, logistics, and storage options. There is a possibility that the average LRC price will rise to around $3.14 by 2025 if the idea attracts more investors. For 2025, the year may end with a maximum price of $3.67 with a minimum price level $3.05. Loopring Price Prediction 2026. It appears that by 2026, Loopring, LRC, prices will hit a level similar to their previous all-time high. For 2026, we can expect the average rate to be $4.64. If everything goes smoothly, we predicted Loopring's maximum price could be up to $5.33 in 2026. Of course, there are chances that the market will fall after a long bull run, and this is normal for the cryptocurrency market. LRC Rate Prediction 2027. The value of Loopring will rise thanks to the efforts of network developers and community investors. Therefore, the settlement price for the year 2027 is bullish. LRC is expected to reach a maximum rate of $8.12 by the end of 2027, according to analysts. On the other hand, it is very optimistic that Loopring's future will eventually grow. Thus, the predicted average